Hey, good morning, good afternoon, grade 5. Hope you are all fine and doing well today. Okay, guys, we'll wait just for a few minutes till your friends join us, okay?
بس هو الدرس النهارده هيبقى ايه؟
Yes? Yes, all day. Guys, can you hear me well?
درس النهارده يا مس هيبقى ايه؟
We will continue the worksheet. We didn't finish the worksheet yesterday.
Okay.
Okay.
Miss, today I will make the project, okay?
Today you will make a project, okay? You can do it anytime you want.
Okay.
Okay, just wait
Hi, Miss.
a few more seconds.
Hi.
Okay, so
First,
again,
one
for
cup
those
of
who are
water.
absent, guys, if you went on the SMS, you can find a video of just
The steps how we can do it.
yes.
One cup of water.
Yes, I
Three
am.
cups
I am.
of
Guys,
sugar,
please do not speak
then
without
boil.
permission. Schluck. Wait, I know you did it. I know you know all the steps. Thank you so much, Schluck.
Miss-
Thank you for being by my side. So you will
Miss,
find
should
it
I
in
make-
grade 5. You
Miss, should I
will
make
find a folder called projects. Here it is. You will find a video explaining the steps, okay, done by this man. He's explaining all the steps. You will also find a link for a homemade recipe. Like this one is explaining all the steps, also what do you need and everything. Okay, and you will find the PowerPoint we did, the PowerPoint, the materials, and the steps. So this one here, this one in here, this is the same thing. So you were asking about boiling the water, right, Yauday?
Yes.
Yes. So Auday, what you need are those are the ingredients. You need water, 2 cups of water. You need 6
Okay.
cups of granulated sugar, which means the regular sugar.
Miss, you are lagging. You are lagging. 2 cups of water?
No.
Guys, am I lagging for all of you?
No. No.
No. So I think it's a problem with your internet
No.
connection, Yauday.
In the video, it only says 1 cup of water.
It's okay.
Two
It's
cups
just
of water,
up to
cup
the
of
different
water.
ingredients. What you need is that all you need, guys, is that for the sugar
Miss
to be
Miss?
more than the amount of water. Like when you add the sugar, it
Miss
should
هو
be
granulated sugar
granulated sugar is the regular sugar we have. Like
White sugar.
yes, the white sugar we have at home.
Miss?
Because there is cube sugar. Those are so big, the sugar in cube size. So
Yes, I know.
those, that's what we call granulated. يعني اللي they are put into smaller pieces. Okay, and you can add food coloring, as I said. It's optional thing. When is the deadline? Okay, Hannah, it could be next week, the week after, just once you finish your project. So I think
Okay.
it was you weren't following us, but just try to follow us right now. So it's 2 optional things, guys, is that to add food coloring. If you don't want to add food coloring, it's okay. And to add any flavor you want. But also this is an optional thing, okay? So then,
I add a flavor including.
yes, what you will first do is that you are going to dip Uday, I hope you're following us. You will dip your
Yes.
toothpicks
I
or
want to say something, Miss.
yes, Reem, you're not supposed to speak without permission, Yareem. What?
يا بس والله ما انا مرفع ايدي.
Yes, but wait for me. I'm talking right now, right?
ايوه
So
يا
what do you
مس.
need?
هو يا مس هو احنا عادي نحط 8 cups of sugar. It's okay.
Well, I think it's up to the amount of water you're adding.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I told you let one of your parents help you with this because you need to boil things on the stove. So you need to have some of your parents with you. Okay, guys, so first you will dip
Miss,
the sugar in. Yes?
do you want us to take a video or something like that when we are doing it or no?
I didn't understand what you're saying, Yatanahi.
Like
Do
he says
you want
that we
us
trained
to
ourselves
take it?
doing it.
I want you to what?
Do you want us to take pictures or videos while we are making something
No, you
like
can
that?
only show me the final product, like your cups with the lollipop sticks in it. That's it. Okay, guys. So as you can see, she is rolling the lollipop stick
What,
in
what if
the
it
sugar.
doesn't work?
Yes.
What if it doesn't work?
What if it doesn't work?
Yeah,
Who's asking this question?
Habiba.
Habiba.
Well, Habiba, I hope it will work. Yani, if it doesn't work, it's okay. You tried your
Are we
best.
going to make it with each other tomorrow?
You what?
Are we going to make it with you tomorrow?
Well, I don't have a camera to do so, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it anyway. But and these steps needs you to be standing next to the stove and stuff like that. So do not wait for me tomorrow. But just I said I'm gonna start my project tomorrow because I want to follow up with you guys. But you can do this. You can show it to one of your parents and do it at home. Okay,
Okay.
guys, this is just for fun. Do not like act as if it's just a project to get marks for. Okay, just try to have fun. Okay, doing it. Okay. So
Okay.
as you can see, she wet the lollipop first, so she can dip it in the sugar and get some sugar particles in it, Yauday. Okay, as you can see in here, she's trying to make it completely wet so the sugar can stick to it. And you need the sugar on the lollipop so all the other sugar dissolved in water will be attracted to it. Okay. While she's waiting for the lollipop to dry with the sugar on it, she will now boil some water and put sugar in it. You need to add a lot of sugar till the sugar will not be dissolved anymore. Okay?
Miss, like 2 cup?
Well, it's not up to how many cups. I mean, if you're using 2 cups of water, add 4 cups of sugar. So
Okay, I will add the four big cups.
okay, that's up to the amount of water you're using. What we will do is that when you are doing this, the sugar you need to add a lot of sugar until there's no more that will dissolve. Okay,
Okay.
Okay. Is okay?
and then you can wait for about 20 minutes. I mean, you can boil it for about
Miss,
15 to 20 minutes, and then you can wait for it to cool down. Wait for it to cool down. Okay, for about 20
Okay.
minutes. Wait for them to
Like
cool
after
down.
20 minutes, I will leave it to be cold, and next I will put it in what, like where?
حبيبي ما تحطوش في حتة يا بابا. You just leave it there. Wait for it to cool down. تمام. Wait for your solution now to cool down. And then after cooling down, okay, you
Okay.
can add some food coloring to it if you want.
Okay.
If you
Miss,
want,
can I
yeah,
ask
you
a
can add
question?
food coloring to it. Yes.
At no at
Miss,
stage
we can
1
add candy.
هو احنا مثلا في stage 1 اما نحط العصاية في الووتر بعد كده نحط عليها الشوجر هنسيبها بره ولا هنحطها جوه الكوب؟
لا, leave it to dry. يعني you're supposed to leave the
بعدين
lollipop to
شوف.
dry a little bit with the sugar on
Can
it.
add candy?
Until
we add
بقى it
candy?
dries, you are boiling the water and adding the food coloring and everything. After this, you will put
okay.
the solution with the food coloring after it cooled down into jars. Can you see Auday?
Miss
Yes.
Yes.
Noha,
Yes.
you wrote here that you can add candy. Is it true?
You could add candy flavors, not real
Oh,
candy. Candy flavor. Okay.
I thought you
Yes.
mean candy.
Yes. And I said before that coloring and flavors are optional. So if you don't have them at home, you don't have to add them. Okay. So anyway,
Okay.
after cooling down, you put it down in jars. Yes.
In a jar.
I will start my
Okay.
project today.
Okay.
It's okay, miss?
It's okay. You can start it anytime. We'll wait for
I
your
will start it today.
Okay.
Miss,
So after
can we
this,
drink
you
this?
will dip the lollipop with the sugar, the one you did at the first step. You left it to dry and then
Yes.
add it or you dip it into the jar, okay? And make sure it's not
Oh,
touching the bottom or the sides of the jar, okay?
okay.
And then you can of course hang it up there with clothespins so they can help it standing.
Miss, what if we don't
Yes.
have clothespins?
Miss, this stage is very like afraid.
Well,
Miss, what if we
I don't
don't
know
have
if you don't have
clothespins?
clothespins. Like everyone have clothespins in their
I
home.
don't. I
You
don't.
don't have any
Yes.
clothespins? Okay, you can
ازاي يعني؟
figure out a way so we can make it standing up straight.
You can hold it
Yes.
for 5
Miss, I will make
No.
it in a small jar
No,
to
no,
put
no.
only
Don't
one
hold it for
clips
5
of.
days. Don't hold it for 5 days, of course. But you just can let me think. You can use
لسه مش هي كده touching the side.
no, it's not touching the
Oh.
side for his jar. No, it's not
ممكن
touching the
يربطها في
side.
حاجة.
Let me think of some way else. Maybe you don't have to use cloth.
A string. A string.
Miss, I'm saying for my mom
Yes.
to go to my grandma get from
Miss
their
ممكن
clothespins.
I mean, you can
ممكن
figure
ي-
out anyway. Anyway, you can figure it anyway. Yeah, you don't have to use clothespins. If you have another option, you can use it, but just you have to make sure that the sticks are not touching the sides or the bottom, because when the sugar will solidify, which means will become solid, it will maybe be attached to the jar, and that will make it hard for you to take it out. That's why
Miss
you
Noah.
need it to be
Okay.
not touching any of the sides. Okay?
Miss Noah.
Yes,
Okay.
Auday.
Miss, I do not have this one. I have only, see, this one only. I have this.
What is this, Yauday? Okay, you can use this.
ماشي بقى Miss, I do not
It's
have
still
a wood one.
clothespins, Yauday. It's still a clothespin. You can use it if it works.
Miss Noha.
Yes, it's all.
It's okay. You can use
And I
two.
have the jar.
Okay, thank you so much, Yauday. Thank you for sharing this. Yes, who's saying Miss Noha, Miss Noha?
Hi Sultan.
Yes?
Are we going to put it in the fridge?
No, don't put it in the fridge. No, just leave it aside for a couple of days. Just leave it in a place where no one will touch it. Okay? And do not disturb it anyway. Okay?
Miss, can you go back a step, please?
Thank
Yes?
you, Miss Noha.
Miss,
Yeah.
how much grades we will take when we do it?
How much what?
Grades.
Miss?
How much what?
الدرجات يا مس.
Grades. Well, you will get your full project marks if you finish this.
Miss?
It's 10.
Of course, we were supposed
Miss,
to
I
do
can.
this at the school. We were supposed to do this in the school and share all the candy together, but since we're not in the school, that's another fun way for you guys to do it at home.
Okay,
Yes.
Miss, I can do a two lollipop on
Do you
this
leave it
jar.
7 days?
Guys, all of you are talking in the same time. Should I mute all of you?
No.
I have
Maybe.
a question.
I only having Yusuf, Reem, and Habiba. Those are the one raising their hands. Habiba, do you need any questions?
Yes, Miss. What if I put it in the fridge? What will happen? What will happen?
Well, I mean, in the fridge, it can be disturbed. I mean, someone can move it away or take it off or stuff like that.
No,
So,
miss,
and you
the
needed
glass
to
will be
take,
broke.
you needed to take enough time for the grains to form in a really good shape. Because if you put it in the fridge, maybe they will be formed a lot faster, and that will make them, yeah, smaller crystals. You don't want that. So it's a lot better to leave it outside. So the water,
Okay.
yes, and by the way, if you put it in the fridge, the water will not evaporate. So if you came after maybe 2 or 3 days, you will still find water and no sugar in it. So it's better to leave
Yes,
it
and the
outside.
glass can be broke.
So it's better to leave it outside, okay, Hannah? So yeah, Habiba. So the water will be able to evaporate, and you are left with the sugar inside the jar. Yusuf and Naqib, do you have any questions?
Yes, I was asking how much grades we will
How many
take.
grades? Well, the grades you're getting is about 15, 10. So this is a big mark for you. Okay, Yusuf?
Yes, okay.
I don't know why you're asking about the grades. Because asking about the grades means two things. If you are really interested in getting your full mark, or you're not interested in the project, so you think maybe I don't have to do the project, so it's okay if I don't get the marks. So which options are you picking? Yusuf?
Yes.
Yes, you were asking about the grades because of which option? Because you really care about this project, or you don't really care about the project, so just you wanted to see if the grades are not high enough, maybe you won't do the project.
Oh, I will do it, but I want to know how much grades we will take.
Yes. Okay, Yusuf. Anyway, good luck with your project. Uday, you're raising your hand again. Yes, Uday. Yes, Uday. Okay. Zain. Yes, Zain, what do you need?
Miss, how many days should I leave it for?
Wallah, ya Zain, we said this before in the session, and you have the session uploaded
7
on the
days,
YouTube.
صح?
From 5 to
But
7
I am
days.
talking about the steps right now, so you guys need to be a little bit patient. I will move to this
7
point.
days.
It's like from 5 to 7 days.
Okay.
You can leave it more if you want. So again, she used a clothespin in here to hold it away, and then you can guys store it in a place where it's not disturbed.
نهى
Yes, Reem.
يعني طالما انا عايزه احط فليفر يعني انا ممكن احطها امتى يعني
You can put it when you
امتى
added the food coloring.
ماشي
Okay. Okay, after 5 to 10 days, guys, you can see some results. You can see results at the day 7. I mean, you can leave it for a whole week. You can leave it for more days if you want. Okay, when you remove the sticks, make sure you just be careful when you are removing the sticks, because you'll still find some sugar on the top, and then you can have it. This is why we didn't let the stick touch any of the sides or the bottom, so we can have it like fully shaped like this. Okay, and then you can enjoy eating it. You guys can see different videos on the SMS. You can see the video on the SMS, guys, so you can um, see more of the steps. Let me. Okay. Okay, now we have
Miss, you're
Abdurrahman Tanahi. Yes, Abdurrahman
lagging.
Tanahi.
Should we break the sugar?
Miss, you're lagging.
Or we can only
Lagging.
take... No, miss, you're not lying.
Guys, I hope I'm not lagging for everyone, but if I am, for some of you, that means there's something with your internet connection. Okay, you should break
Miss, my
into the
internet
sugar,
connection
yes,
was so
because
good,
at
but
the end of the
your voice
project,
was lagging.
again. Yasin Duwaini, I am not lagging, wallahi. It's something with your internet
والله
connection.
يا miss, you are lagging. والله يا miss.
No,
Okay,
miss,
maybe
you're
guys,
not
something
lagging.
with your internet
You're not
connection.
lagging, yeah, miss.
Others are
Yes,
not
you're
lagging for
لا.
others. If I am not lagging for others, بصي يا عدي.
ماشي also.
If I'm lagging
What?
for one or two of you guys, that means it's something with your internet connection. But if I'm lagging because of some problems in my internet connection, that means all of you will not be able to hear me. But some of your friends can hear me. So I think it's something with your
I open 4G يا مس والله.
well, that's the same for us
How?
here, يعني. I have no idea والله.
أيوة مس how?
I have no idea. Okay, what I wanted to say, yes, yeah, Tanah, you will break through the sugar. So if you checked in here, just let me stop recording what we were saying. So guys, I hope you had enough of this of the questions about the project. I hope you had enough, because now we need to go back
To the lesson?
to the worksheet. Yes, we're supposed to do a worksheet.
We will have time.
Yesterday, can you guys remember what number did we stop at? Was it 13?
No, I don't think.
It was 13 because I wanted to discuss something with you in this question. Question number 13, we talked about it yesterday and I got confused with the answer in here. So the definition of a mineral does not include. So what we did as an answer was crystalline structure, but this is not right. Crystals are also found in some of the minerals. So this is not right, guys. What I wanted to say was organic. This is the right answer because the minerals are natural things. They are not man-made, but they do not contain any living things. Okay? They do not come from living things.
Okay.
So organic in here is not something that we can find in the definition of the mineral. Is Omar with us? I'm sorry, Omar with us? Omar, are you with us today?
Yes, miss, I'm here.
Yes, so this is the one we were talking about yesterday, if you remember. So the correct answer will be organic, okay, not crystalline structure, because crystals are something important for the minerals. I mean, some minerals, you can see their crystals so obvious. Yusuf and Naqib, do you still have any questions? Because you're raising your hands.
Miss, now
No,
Now
I forgot to lower hand.
Okay, Zain, do you need to ask any questions because you're still raising your hand? Zain? Okay, Amr? Yes, Amr.
Miss,
Maybe
now
he
I'm confused. What does it mean by the definition?
Yes, Amr?
Now, what does it mean by definition? Definition of minerals.
Yes, you mean what definition means? What do you mean by the word definition?
Yes.
Definition means how to define minerals, like what do mineral means? Yani, what do you mean by the word mineral? So it is a natural, it's non-organic, it's a natural solid, looks like rocks, but it's not rocks, of course. Okay?
Miss, look, I know what does it mean definition, but now I'm confused. Crystalline structure is not the definition of minerals. It's something.
No, but you can find crystals in the definition. Let me show it to you in here. Just let me get it.
Because I'm confused now.
No, do not get confused. It's okay. So in here it says that a mineral is a natural solid substance that has a specific chemical makeup, okay? But you look at the picture in here, you can see that it's made of some crystals. What I mean by crystalline structure is the same as chemical makeup in here.
Okay, so it has
crystals, yes, in
it
it.
has crystal.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, but yesterday I got confused also. Remember when we said like every mineral has a crystal with a regular geometric shape?
Yes.
Yes, this is what we meant by. So I'm sorry about this. Yesterday I really got confused because the internet was cutting and we had a lot of noise in the school yesterday. So maybe this is why I got a little bit confused. But
Miss, you said to Amgad you will. I don't know what we will do. But Amgad yesterday asked you a question and you said for him, I will open to you, but I'm in the school. I can't open Facebook.
Oh, he wanted to, he sent me something on the Facebook, right? Yeah, I'm good. I think he sent me something on the Facebook.
No,
If
me
we
ياسين
have enough
الدواني
time at
ياسين
the end,
الدواني
guys, I'll
ياسين
have to
الدواني.
move a little bit faster because we only have less than 10 minutes. So number 14, which of the
Miss
following
ياسين
is not
ياسين الدواني
true?
who told
Miss, it
you.
was Yasin Doini, not Amgad.
Okay, which of the following is not true of minerals? So we need a false sentence in here. Okay, they are liquids, they are formed in nature, they are inorganic, they have crystalline structure. So let me
They are
just raising
liquids.
their hands. Yes, Isil,
Miss
do you want to
Amra
answer
answered.
this question?
A. They are
Yes, they
liquids.
are liquids. This is not true about minerals. That's right, they are solid. Number 15, what mineral is known as fool's gold? I hope you guys remember this from the session, but like if you don't, it's okay. You can guess the answer if you want.
Can I answer it?
Yes, Amr.
Quartz.
Maybe it's quartz.
Well, thank you for guessing, but it's not quartz. It was burette. If you guys remember from the PowerPoint in here, from the presentation, I showed to you the shape of burette in here. Let me just get it for you so you can see it in here. This one, can you see it down there?
Yes.
Yes, this is burette. Looks like gold, and I told you guys, yes, it's called fool's gold. But it's okay. It's just for your own information. Number 16, the following image shows what mineral property? What do you think this image shows? Let me check. Guys, please, those are who are raising their hands. Do you want to answer this question? Because we have Zain, Abdurrahman Tanahi, Hana Wael, Amr, Aysel, Yasin Dwaini. So you want to answer this question. So we can start with Zain then. Zain, number 16. What kind of property is showing on this image? What do you think this is? Hardness, streak, luster, density?
Hardness.
Do you think it's hardness? I mean, what do you think? It's shiny in here. Luster. Yes, it's luster. If you want to see a picture showing hardness, I mean, you will be rubbing the mineral against a white tile. In this case, we can say it's showing hardness. Okay, number 17, what does organic mean? Something that is living, something that is dead but was once living, or something that was never living. What do you think? We can guess the answer. We have people raising their hands in here. Abdurrahman Tanahi, what do you think?
Something that is living, and it can be also something that was living.
Guys, wait a second. There's something with my sharing screen. Just give me a minute.
Okay, no problem.
Give me a minute. I'm so sorry about that. So back to you, Tanahi. Just give me a minute. Yes, there's something with my program. Here it goes. Here it goes. Can you guys see my screen again?
Yeah.
Yes. So number 17, you think it's something that is living. That's right. Yes. Thank you so much.
Miss, it can be something that is dead but was once living?
No. Well, what do you get here in the options? You get the answer that is more likely true. Yes, it's the most true one. Okay. Number 18, what mineral can pick up a paper clip? Paper clip is a metal because of its magnetic properties. What do you think? We have people raising their hands in here. Hana Wael, would you like to answer number 18?
Miss, the sharing screen is not. I cannot see it.
I'm sharing it. I'm sharing my screen right now.
I can.
I can see it.
Well, your friends can't see the screen, yeah, Uday. So I think it's something with you or with your internet again.
Miss, I can't see it. I can't see it.
I don't know. I'm sharing it for everyone.
Yes, I can see it.
Miss,
see
can I have some
I
number
can
I
see
don't
it,
know.
19?
Sign out and
Yes,
sign
now
in
I
again,
can see
Yana.
it now.
Miss,
Now I can.
can I
Hannah Wael, would you like to answer number 18?
Yes, Miss Nohan.
Yes. What mineral can pick up a paper clip because of its magnetic properties? What do you think?
C.
D, yes. Magnetite. Thank you so much. Uday, the session will be recorded anyway, so do not worry about this. I hope you can see the screen anyway, so you can answer the questions.
Yes, I can see it now. Can I answer?
Okay,
I
you
want
can
to
answer
answer
number
number
19. Diamond has a hardness of
Okay.
1, 5, 8, 10.
10.
10. Thank you so much. Reem, would you like to answer number 20? Reem, would you like to answer number 20? Okay. Which mineral is number 6 on the hardness scale? You have the scale in front of you here?
Feldspar.
Yes, thank you so much, Reem. Thank you so much. Okay, number 21. Which mineral would scratch calcite but not scratch apatit? What do you think? Yassine Doueni, would you like to answer this question?
Yes.
Yes, what do you think? From the Mohs scale next to you.
A scratch calcite, but not a scratch appetite.
Mm-hmm.
Finger, copper coin.
So again, guys, if you want to understand this one, you will go to the Mohs scale, okay? It wants something that will scratch calcite, but not apatit, which is something in the middle, يا حق. حق ياسين ركز.
Yasin Bey.
Yasin Bey, yeah. Yasin Basha. So Yasin, in here, Yasin, you need something that scratch calcite, which is number 3 in here, but doesn't scratch apatit. So it means that it needs to be less than apatit, but more than calcite, which is, which is what? All right, in this case.
Tobas.
Guys, I will end the meeting and I will come back immediately so we can continue with the worksheet, okay? Because we have less than a
Miss,
minute.
but yes, how we will come again, but the session is finished 1:30.
You can join again if you want. Do you want us to do this tomorrow?
No, today.
Extra session.
Today.
Yes,
No,
Okay,
today.
so please guys come back again. I will end it and you can come back again, okay?
Tomorrow.
No, come back
Yes.
straight after we finish this.
Tomorrow.
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 Yes, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.